The DJI Air 3S sets a new gold standard as the brand's best overall drone, blending professional performance with user-friendly operation for creators, travelers, and hobbyists. Building on the Air 3, it introduces meaningful upgrades such as 42 GB of internal storage, enhanced imaging options, and improved low-light capability. Its dual-camera system offers exceptional versatility, pairing a high-resolution wide-angle camera, 12-megapixel by 50-megapixel, with a 48-megapixel medium telephoto lens to deliver detailed stills in RAW and JPEG formats, and an effective 1 to 9 times zoom range. Video performance is equally impressive, supporting 10-bit 4K at 60 frames per second, plus slow motion at 120 frames per second in 4K and 240 frames per second in Full HD. Advanced color profiles like D-Log-M and HLG provide high dynamic range and professional-level grading flexibility. Weighing 1.59 pounds, the Air 3S is lighter than the DJI Mavic 3 Pro yet remains sturdy, built with premium materials and capable of resisting winds up to 12 meters per second, though it requires FAA registration. Its folding design and included shoulder bag make transport easy for on-the-go shooting. Flight performance is enhanced by omnidirectional obstacle sensors, active track 360 degrees, and reliable return-to-home technology, ensuring both creative freedom and safety. The intuitive DJI Fly app and RC2 controller with a 5.5-inch touchscreen streamline operation for pilots of all skill levels. With up to 45 minutes of battery life, and even longer sessions available through the Fly More combo, the Air 3S delivers stability, endurance, and cinematic image quality. Altogether, it offers a rare balance of pro-level features, durability, and accessibility, making it an outstanding all-around drone for elevating aerial photography and videography.